This kaiyomi stanchion set combines gleaming golden posts with deep black velvet ropes to create a classic, upscale look for red carpet-style entrances and photo booths. The stainless steel construction and thick velvet ropes feel solid and durable in hand, giving confidence that the barriers will hold up to frequent use in busy venues. Each long velvet rope spans a generous distance between posts, so you can cover wide entryways or form orderly queues without needing an excessive number of stands. The hollow bases can be filled with water, sand, or other heavy material, which significantly improves stability and helps the posts stay upright even when crowds lean on them or when used outdoors. Assembly is straightforward, with the posts screwing into the bases and the lobster-style hooks clipping easily into the multiple attachment points on top of each pole. Because the design is both functional and visually polished, this set works equally well for crowd control in hotels, banks, and airports, as it does for adding a sense of occasion to parties and special events.